Nathaniel. I am 10 years old. I am from class 5A. Today, I want to give a poem. The title is My Teacher. My teacher. In the classroom where ideas bloom, you nurture hopes the spelling book. With every lesson, you like the spark guiding us forward, leaving your mark. With passion and care, you pave the way, encouraging us to learn and play. Through every challenge, stand by our side. The ultimate mentor, our true guide. Your wisdom echoes, inspiring our dreams. In your teachings, the future gleams. Thank you, dear teacher, for all that you do. In our heads forever, cherish you. Thank you for your nice attention. Goodbye and see you.